Good morning. It's early as hell. I'm normally not up this early. So I woke up at 7:30 and right now I'm making vegan cinnamon rolls. The dough is rising. So at 10, it's 8:30 or 8:24. I will take the dough out, roll it out, put it, you know how to make cinnamon rolls. That's what I'm going to do. Right now I'm watching Dexter. Probably going to do a little bit of editing. I'm only like 5 or 6 days behind, so I'm not that worried about it. And then today Nolan and I are going to go to Wildwood with Buttercup. And yeah, I'm looking forward to a good day. So, Dexter. Alright, so cinnamon rolls are in the oven. I am waiting for them to be done so I can eat them because I am hungry. Too hot. We got about 15 minutes left. Made the icing here. And then I gotta put my face on and look like a human being because Nolan and I are hanging out. And I know he doesn't care what I look like, but I care. So, that's what we're doing. Yeah, your guys' taste test is the ultimate taste test. Look who I'm with.
I hate nature.
It was his idea to come here.
I'm itchy.
I love you.
Itchy.
But I can vlog you.
Got it.
Guys, we found the tree.
Fuck this tree.
It's right there. No, it's right there.
There's a dick on it.
There's some more over here.
There's a dick on it. You know, there's dicks on it. Look at this. It's a naturally occurring dick. Look at that. That's detail. Mother Nature's got a sense of humor. Same. Did this turn into this, or? Holy Christ. Yo, these people carved this in here before I was born, man.
Now we're vlogging. Stop. Stop. Thought you didn't want to sit on the ground.
I'm not sitting.
He's really high maintenance.
Bruh.
Bruh.
This grass is gross.
You're gross.
Nature's gross. Lord of fucking Christ. Drop dead.